luxury spacious living area and dining area. Super spacious kitchen area. As you can see, this grand looking master bedroom. Wow. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Raintree Park, which is located at Wakefield Main Road by the Builder Prestige for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot in detail about the project. But before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Well, Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So why wait? Hurry up and go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The project Raintree Park, which is located at Whitefield Main Road by the Builder Prestige, is built on a land parcel of 21 acres with 18 towers, and available stories are 2 basement, ground and 19 floors, and the available variants are 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5 and 5 BHK. Talking about the connectivity, Raintree Park project is just 2 minutes away from the Nexus Whitefield Mall and just few minutes away from the Manipal Hospital, and also Martale and Sajapura is just few minutes drive from this project. And this project has a luxurious 30 plus amenities such as gymnasium, clubhouse, party hall, kids play area, kids swimming pool, yoga lawn, jogging track, multi-purpose game court, indoor games and many more. Yes, right now we are in front of 4 BHK sample flat called Raintree Park, which is located at Whitefield Main Road by the Builder Prestige for a sample flat tour. So let's get inside. Let's check the home office first. So this is your home office. As you can see, it is super spacious and comfortable for you to design the way you want and the way you want your office to be. And this home office comes with an attached bathroom. So this is the attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a big window for ventilation. So as you can see, it is super spacious, and we have access to the home from the main office as well. Yeah, this is the access. I will show you from inside the flat. So yes, so this home office has access from 2 places. This is the first place, and the second one I will show you inside the flat. So as you walk inside, you can see this spacious foyer area. So this is your spacious foyer area, and as you walk inside, you can see this lavish and luxury spacious living area and dining area. So this is a dining area where you can put your dining table and chairs, and there's ample amount of space for your storage units as well. And this way is your living area. As you can see, it is super luxurious. You have space for your sofa and for your television unit as well. So this is your living area, and near the living area we have the balcony with the French sliding door. So this is your long balcony. As you can see, it is a super long and super spacious. Ample amount of space has been provided for your sitting arrangements and for the plantation. And you can see this balcony is super long, and it has access from 3 places. The first place is from the living area, and the other 2 I will show you shortly. And as you can see, this entire space is super protected by glasses. So hence, this is your living area where you can spend your leisure time, and I hope you enjoyed the living area as well as the dining area tour. Now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 4 BHK flat. So this is your common bathroom with the anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation, and a lot of space has been provided for your storage unit as well. And now it's important to check the main part of the flat, which is the kitchen area. So this way to the kitchen area. So this is your super big, super spacious kitchen area. As you can see, there's ample amount of space for you to design and customize the way you want with a modular kitchen, and you can see there's a lot of room for storage units as well. So yes, this kitchen comes with a very big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight, and as you can see, there's ample amount of space for storage units as well. And now it's time to check the utility area. So this is your utility area. As you can see, it's super spacious where you can put your washing machine and other things. And yeah, from the utility area we have access to the home office. Yes, so this is the home office which we checked in the beginning of the video. So as I told you, the home office has access from 2 places, from the main door and from the kitchen utility area. So this was your kitchen and utility area, and now it's time to check the first bedroom in this flat. So this way to the first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom. As you can see, it is super spacious with wooden floor finish, and there's ample amount of space for your single bed, study area and for your storage units. So you can see The interiors are super amazing, and this room comes with a very big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So yes, this was the first bedroom. So the interiors are super cool. Let's check the second bedroom. Wow, this is the second bedroom. As you can see, it is super big and very well customized and designed. Ample amount of space for your king sized bed, wardrobe over there, storage units on my left, and right opposite to the bed you have your television unit, and this is your study area. And this room comes with a very big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So there are two windows, one over here and the other one over here. So yes, so this is your second bedroom. So as you can see, there's ample amount of space around the bed, and look at the interiors. It's super fantastic and really amazing. Even the color combination of tiles are superb. And now it's time to check the third bedroom. Yeah, this way. So this way to the third bedroom. Wow, again it's super fantastic and marvelous. As you can see, ample amount of space has been provided for your bed, your study area, dressing area, wardrobe, television unit. And yes, this room comes with a balcony with a French sliding door. So yes, this is your balcony, which is super long and spacious. I showed you this balcony a few minutes back. It's the same balcony. You have access from the dining area, living area, and from this room. So yes, this balcony comes with French sliding door. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom. So this way to the attached bathroom. So this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments, and over there's a window for ventilation, and there's ample amount of space for the storage units as well. So look at the interiors, it's super cool. And now it's time to check the fourth bedroom, the master bedroom of this flat. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and the 360-degree virtual project tour. And now let's head to the master bedroom. So yes, this is your grand looking master bedroom. Wow, there's ample amount of space for your bed, your wardrobe, your television area, dressing area, as well as your study area. And this master bedroom comes with a balcony. So this is your balcony with the French sliding door. Yes, super long and spacious balcony. So this is the third access to the balcony. So the first access is from the living area, second access from the other bedroom, and from the master bedroom. So yes, this is your balcony where you can spend your leisure time having your coffee or tea. And look at the interiors, it's really marvelous and amazing. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a big window for ventilation and a lot of storage spaces as well. So yes, this is your master bedroom bathroom, which looks luxurious. So yes, this was all about the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Raintree Park by the Builder Prestige. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, do mention it in the comment section below, and we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Housey to know about such marvelous projects. See you in the next video. Bye. So hey everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Raintree Park, which is located at Whitefield Main Road by the Builder Prestige.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.